In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add and use the shuffle node in Nuke 11.2v3. We're keeping this fast, simple, and crystal clear. If you're working in Nuke's node graph and you want to bring in a shuffle, here's exactly how to do it without any extra clicks or confusion. First, make sure your focus is in the node graph area where you build your comp. With your cursor there, press the tab key. This opens Nuke's node search palette right where your cursor is, which is the quickest way to call up any node without digging through menus. Now, start typing the word shuffle. As you type, Nuke filters the list in real time. When you see shuffle highlighted, press enter. Nuke drops the shuffle node at your cursor position in the node graph, ready to be connected and configured. That's really all it takes. In Nuke 11.2v3, the classic shuffle is the default version you get from that search. You're not pulling in a more complex layered variant here. It's the familiar, straightforward shuffle that focuses on channel routing, which keeps your workflow clean and predictable when you're doing common operations like channel remapping or isolating mats. Once the node appears, look at its properties. You'll see simple drop-down menus for red, green, blue, and alpha. These controls are exactly what you need for channel management without added complexity. Each drop-down lets you choose which incoming channel feeds that output. Because this is the classic shuffle, you're not dealing with multiple layers or elaborate inputs. The interface makes it obvious you're shuffling channels from the input stream to the output RGBA. This design is especially handy when you want to bring a mat into the alpha, send a single channel into all three color channels, or reorganize channels for downstream nodes. The simplicity reduces mistakes and makes it easy to understand what's happening at a glance. If you're auditing a script or handing work to someone else, this clarity pays off. A quick note on version behavior. In some other Nuke versions, you might encounter different shuffle variants, but in 11.2v3, the old shuffle is what you get by default from the tab search. That consistency means you can rely on the straightforward drop-downs without hunting for additional layer options. And that's it. Press tab, type shuffle, hit enter, and you're working with the classic channel-focused shuffle node